Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can enter the opening inventory balances in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel and you want to follow the complete playlist, then check out the description for the complete training. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Okay, next is entering inventory details. Now our business is really simple. This is a trading business in which we purchase certain items from a particular vendor and then we sell it as it is in the market. So complex scenarios are in manufacturing scenarios where we purchase the raw material, manufactures it, and add labor in it, and then we sell the finished product. This is the complex one. But this is simple inventory details. We purchase Corolla windscreen and we simply sell it. So how to enter the details? We will first create the items and then we will enter the opening balances. Go to the Home tab, select Item and Services option, go to Items and click New. Now there is option Service Item. If we are buying or selling a service, we will select on this option. Non-inventory part is usually for stationary items or other materials that we have, but it is not an inventory, it is consumable. So we actually can't see this particular type that we want to select. That should be inventory part. Part should be there, but it's not showing because when we have created the new company, we ticked on the option that we want to express start the company. At that particular point, QuickBooks suppose that the company we started is a service based company, which is not the case. Now we have to internally edit and enable the inventory. For that, we will go in edit menu, click on preferences, go to items and inventory and click company preferences. Now there is an option inventory and purchase orders are active, but it's ticked off. We have to tick it and then click OK. Now QuickBooks will close all the windows to make that changes. Okay. Now after closing, you have to manually click on Home tab and create the new items. If you have noticed, you can see that there are some more icons now. Items and services. Now let's create new item, new item. Now we can see this option inventory part. Now our first item is Corolla windscreen. Copy paste. Unit of Meyer. Unit of Meyer is the unit in which we buy and sell this item. Now this is a big item, so we can purchase it in each, not in cartons, liters, or anything else. So we will simply create each unit of Meyer or piece per piece unit of Meyer for that. Same is the we are not using multiple units of Meyer here. We will use the same unit of Meyer both for buying and selling. Just enable it, click on single unit of Meyer. Next, this is counted in quantities, so we will tick quantity and unit is each. Finish. Purchase description, you can write the same item name, selling description. Cost is 12,000. Now at this point, QuickBooks linked all the ledgers according to all the future activities. Means whatever we will do with this inventory should affect these accounts. If we purchase the items, it will affect our inventory. When we sell the item, it will affect our cost of goods sold and this income account. Income account is not mentioned, so we will write sales revenue. Press tab and you will see that sale revenue is not in the account list, so we will set up this. Nature is already income. Save and close. Okay, cost is 12,000. Our quantity on hand that we already had is 40, so it will automatically multiply 40 by 12,000 is 4,80,000 as of 1st of January 2018, and then we will click next. For next, it will be even easier for us because this time we don't need to create a unit of Meyer from the starting. We will select from the option Civic headlights. Okay, cost is 35,000. Cost is 35,000. On hand is 10. 3,50,000 is the total, and it is as of 1st of January 2018, and that's all. Okay, so you can enter this other inventory items by yourself, or else you can move on to the next video. I'll show you how to enter this one as well.